Students can access the Grambling State University Canvas page by either going to gram.edu, clicking on the Student Life tab, and selecting Canvas located under the Resources and Programs tab. Or by going to Google and typing Grambling Canvas and selecting the Instructure link. Once the page loads, students will enter their Grambling Student Identification Number, also known as the G number for their username. They will use GSU Canvas with all lowercase letters as their password. After logging in, your homepage will appear. When scrolling down, your dashboard will show you all of the classes you are enrolled in for the semester. You can also select the Assignments tab to see what assignments are coming up and grades on past assignments. There's also an online calendar to assist with staying on course with classwork. Use the inbox in order to communicate with your professors when you need help on an assignment. The to-do list, located on the right-hand side, will always show you when an assignment is coming up. With going to the gram.edu webpage and selecting the Academics tab, then clicking Distance Learning, you'll be navigated to the Distance Learning page. From here, on the left-hand side of the webpage, you can select Canvas Student Resources. The page will then load and provide links on video tutorials, frequently asked questions, and helpful links for navigating Canvas. Make sure you check Canvas daily for any new uploaded assignments and to stay on track with classwork.